what's going on outside. It's a hailstorm. It's a hailstorm, and that's my dad. On your side, yeah. A hailstorm, yeah. It's just there's a little bit of rain too. A little bit of rain, and it's a pretty stormy day. Yeah, in the news, I think it said there's gonna be rain on Tuesday, and today's Tuesday, so tomorrow's April Fool's Day. Yeah, tomorrow's April Fool's Day. I'm gonna prank someone on April Fool's Day. Yeah. Whoa! Thunder. What the heck? I just caught that on tape. I just caught that on tape. I just caught the thunder on tape. I just caught it on tape. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? I just caught it on tape. I caught it on tape. Whoa, wow. I just caught the thunder on tape. Did you guys hear that? I just caught it on tape. I'm going to tell Dad about that. I'm going to tell him about that. Yeah, I caught it on tape. Yeah. Yeah. I just caught it on tape. Oh my gosh. That's just awesome. I just caught thunder on tape.
Lightning?
Yeah, I just caught the lightning on tape. I caught it on tape. Yeah, I caught it on tape. Isn't that awesome?
I almost caught it in my hand.
No, I caught it on tape. I was filming until I heard the thunder, lightning, and I caught it on tape. Yeah. I'm going to end this video right now. Actually, a little bit longer we're going to show. Oh, that big hailstorm. Yeah, it's a big hailstorm. Yeah. It's a big hailstorm. See if we catch any more lightning strikes. Any more lightning noises out there. Yeah, I caught it on tape, which was good, because I want to send this to YouTube. Still send us to YouTube. Yeah, I caught it on tape. Yeah, I caught it on tape. Pretty cool. I bet this video, when I upload it, will have like a lot of views. When I upload it, yeah, I bet. I'll see after I upload this video. It says, oh, now it's raining. It looks like it's raining now. There's rain. See? It's all sorts of rain. Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! I caught another one on tape. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, another lightning strike caught on tape. Man, I just caught another lightning strike on tape. I caught another lightning strike on tape. I just caught other lightning on tape, yeah. It's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to send it to YouTube. Yeah. You guys might be impressed that I caught it on tape. Leave a comment down below that if you were happy that I caught it on tape. So leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Yeah. Or leave a like. Yeah, thumbs up. Or if this is your first video that you've watched of me, then you could subscribe. Watched. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty hard rain. It's pretty heavy rain. It's been like 5 minutes since I've been recording. It's really hard rain. Man, it's so heavy today. Yeah. This camera can only record for 15 minutes. Let's just keep filming it. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah. Oh, and in the background, that's my TV that you're hearing right now. Is that a bug on that bucket out there? Oh, it's starting to rain really hard now. It's gonna rain really hard. This camera's gonna stop recording any minute now. Yeah, it's gonna start recording any minute now. It's been 6 minutes now. Wow. Look at all that hail. Look at all the hail. Actually, that isn't rain. It's just hail. I guess I was wrong. It is not. It's not rain. It's hail. I was wrong. It's still hail falling from the clouds. Video gonna stop any minute now. This video. Man, it's so heavy out there. It's very heavy. Yeah, my throat kind of hurts from all that yelling. The saying, I got it on tape thing out loud. Yeah, my throat hurts right now. Yeah, my throat hurts. Look at that. Oh, I think the camera's lagging. From all the movement, the camera's kind of lagging right now. The camera's lagging right now for all... Wait, what was that? Yeah. It's happy that I caught the 2 lightning strikes on tape. Yeah. Whoa! Is that... Oh, that's just the TV. I thought it was another lightning. I thought it was more lightning. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. It's so raining out there. I'm gonna record this for 15 minutes. Yeah. If my camera can survive that long, because I'm running out of space. I'm running out of space, so my camera could record that long. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching Cartoon Network on television. Whoa! Banner. Whoa, no! Oh, no way! No way! There's another lightning strike. Oh, no way! No way! I just caught another one on tape. No way! Maybe I should not yell. Sorry about that. I should not yell next time. Yeah. Maybe I should not yell. Maybe I should have not yelled. Yeah. 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 Now it looks like there's petals on the ground. Out there, it looks like there's petals on the ground. Looks pretty cool, though. But warning, this is a very long video, so you might have to watch other stuff, like in the middle of the video, probably. Yeah, it's a very long video. It's going to be a very long video. Oh, the camera's lagging from all that movement, from the rain. The camera's lagging a little bit. It's kind of lagging. I have a good camera, I think. Yeah, I hope my camera doesn't break from all that lagging. I hope my camera doesn't break from all that lagging and stuff. Yeah. I'm not recording. Oh, and over here. I haven't seen over here. See the other side. And that's the stove right there. That's the stove right there. And my camera's. And then. There. Yeah. There's the other petals right there. That's the trees. The trees. There were trees. Oh. Got like a few minutes until I have to stop this video. Yeah. It's a pretty long video. Or maybe 14 minutes I have to record it. Yeah. 14 minutes. Yeah. It's pretty strong. Oh, I think it's rain now. I think it's rain. Yeah, it's rain. There's rain now. There's rain. Look. You see all that? I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Leave a comment down below so you can give the name, because I forgot what the name of those things out there are called. The white things, the little white things out there. I mean things. I keep pronouncing my words wrong. Camera's not steady. One more minute. Know this? Yeah. Yeah, I bet after when this recording is done, I bet there's gonna be more lightning strikes after this recording is done. Yeah, after done recording. There's probably going to be more lightning strikes after when I'm done recording this video. Yeah. Yeah. It's a very long video. It's a very long video. I like seeing the view out there. And all the rain. Yeah. I like all the rain out there. The rain is like beautiful. And I'm almost going to reach like 10,000 views. So thank you guys, because I have 8,000 views now. and probably like in a few days I'm gonna reach 10,000. So let's see about that, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll always see you on the next video.